Good morning, everyone. Today is the third day and my second workshop of digital power. Today, I think we're going to discuss about how AI take over to us and what is the side effect and good effects of social media. And my workshop will be start in 20 minutes. Right now, it's 9 a.m. and my bus will be there in 5 minutes. So let's go. I think I'm again late. Come on. Wait, I'm sorry. No.
So this is her. It doesn't show, but
And when I post a video, I also post video with her before, but they don't comment in a bad way. But when I post with flags and we are discussing about our languages, then I receive a very bad comments. Not about after that, when we ignore our bad comments, then in the end we literally receive a very good comments, like some of commenting that, oh my god, you don't even look like different, you look like twins, and then we are in best comments. So I think if you ignore the bad comments, you can win. In any ways, you're getting famous, so
okay.
yeah, so let's take them. Yeah. So because of that, they have a very good fight. So in that terms and condition, they have conflicts with each other.
But as an Romanian, I will say that.
Oh, you were from Romania.
Yeah. It should be peaceful, I hope. Yeah.
Yes, I totally understand. But you know, like as international, my point of view is like our fight shouldn't be for land, because we are human beings. Fighting for land, we are, you know, literally sacrifices the lives.
Yeah.
For what? We want to save land and sacrifice the people. For what? Like, what's the... I don't understand this political point of view.
Power.
Yes, exactly. In the end, what you are
not
going
being
to do with
ironic.
the power? Like...
What about the regular users?
Anyway, you can show it all the time.
We are way more chaotic than that. So it's her. Bye, there's a change.
It's a video.
Hopefully I don't drag this part on way too long. This is an entire lecture in my coursework, in my courses.
Now, after a very long day, going back to my home. On way to dorm, I just discovered this beautiful view. This city is beautiful. So yes, it's the end of the day, and now, like always, in the end I will share something about the whole day. So today I went on a workshop. We talk about how social media take over on us, what's the best and bad impact of social media, and I shared one of my me and my friend video where I was talking about that we both are from different countries and our countries have conflict with each other, and then how things are affecting on the friendships and all the stuff. I discussed about that how we got hate comments on that video, and how the wrong information can make you popular. So yeah, it was the topic for the day. And then, by the way, I enjoyed the workshop a lot. It was very informative and interactive workshop and productive day for me. And I want to experience more debating topic like that in future maybe. And yes, in the end, I want to add some informative thing. So basically, what I want to ask you in the comment section, you can reply me that what exactly power for you. You can just comment and tell me like for you what power is. And one more thing. Found this indigenous power, and basically as a PhD student I'm working on indigenous languages, large language models, and I just found that they have their dialogue projects of 2025, which is very informative for me, and what exactly the indigenous power is. So what you are going to do, you are going to tell me in a comment section what is actually power is for you, and what is celebrity power, and that's it. Yeah, and I will read the comments, and I will like the comments which is very informative for me. So thanks to IS Fit Power for inviting me on. So that's the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching the videos, and thank you so much for supporting me. Bye bye.